Brooklyn 48th Street. Another porch thief caught on camera. They never learn, do they? Keep your packages safe, folks. Brooklyn East 26th Street. Another package thief caught on camera. Keep those deliveries safe, folks. Brooklyn East 80th Street. Another bold porch pirate caught red-handed. They'll never learn, will they? Brooklyn East 29th Street. Yet another porch thief caught on camera. It's like they're working overtime. Brooklyn East 85th Street. This porch thief is getting creative, dressing up as an Amazon delivery agent to swipe a package. Talk about a bold move.
Hey! Put my package back. Put my package back. Put it back. No, someone on my camera. Yeah, the Amazon restaurant.
Brooklyn Mercy Avenue. Another porch thief caught red-handed. Seems like these thieves don't know how to stay out of the spotlight. Cicero W 34th Street. Another porch thief caught in the act. Check out how this one tries to make off with someone's package. Always be aware of what's happening right on your doorstep. Cicero W Washington Boulevard. A package stolen right off the porch caught on camera. Keep an eye on your deliveries, folks. These porch pirates are everywhere. Cicero S. Keeler Avenue. An attempted theft caught on camera. Watch as this intruder tries to make a move. Luckily, the homeowner's cameras were one step ahead. Cicero Des Plaines Avenue. Attempted break-in caught on camera. This thief didn't expect the watchful eye of a security camera. Let's see how it all went down.